Hey YouTube, today we are going to build these push blocks and this push stick. I need this for an upcoming project where I'm going to be cutting some dados and some thin strips. So let's get at her. Hey there YouTube, I am Steve Bonin. This is Urban DIY, a channel dedicated to woodworking hobbyists working in small spaces with limited resources. These push blocks are made from some MDF that was salvaged from an old desk and an old leftover piece of hand railing that came with the house. So I made two of them. This material here is just for the bottoms of drawers for non-slip, and you can buy it at the dollar store for a couple bucks. This is a push stick. It's made of 1/2-inch Baltic birch, and that's it. Let's get on with it. Okay, first off, I went to my scrap bin and found this nice piece of melamine coated MDF from an old desk, and I'm just gonna trim it up. I should just mention here, I'm outside and I'm cutting MDF, and that's the only reason I'm not wearing a mask. This stuff is just toxic, awful stuff, and I'm trying to get all of it out of my shop because I don't want to work with it anymore. I actually find myself holding my breath while I'm cutting it. So I've had this handrail hanging around for years, left over from putting handrail down the stairs into the basement. I guess that would be really good for a push block. So let's go. Okay, I'm just at the drill press, and I'm just going to drill a couple pilot holes. Okay, I've just clamped this down a little bit, or stabilized it a little bit, not really clamped it down. And I'm just going to continue to drill the pilot holes up into the handle. Okay, there we go. Next, we have this non-slip stuff from the dollar store, I think. Grip liner. It's meant for it's meant just for inside of drawers. I'm not certain if I'm going to use some glue on that, or maybe just the double-sided tape. I think we'll try the glue out first. Okay, I've successfully used this stuff on foam and upholstery fabrics and stuff like that. I'm just going to take it outside and do it because it is absolutely toxic. Okay, there it is. It's stuck really nicely. I'm just going to go finish up the other one. Okay, the other thing we're going to build today is a push stick. I got this design from craftsright.com. I'll put a link to the video that I saw this in. I've looked at quite a few push sticks around the internet, and I thought this one was very cool. So I'm going to build this now. Okay, I'm using this 3M remount product. I sprayed it on the back of this, and we waited our 15 to 30 seconds, and we're just going to stick it down. And it should stay there during the cutting process and lift right off easily when we're finished. We're going to assume that the template was printed squarely on the paper, and the paper is square to the wood. At least on this edge. We know that these two sides are parallel and these two sides are parallel, and we know that because he said it in the video. So I'm just going to draw some lines to reference off of and see if we can at least get a rough idea of what these angles are. It's about, looks like 16 degrees. I'm sure that if we do it at 15, we'll be fine. And that one is right on 15 degrees. So I think we will use 15 degrees as our where we'll set our miter saw. Okay, I've just used painter's tape, and I've just strategically taped the template back down, mostly along the lines that I've already cut. I'm going to have to probably reprint to recut the front because I kind of messed that up. But I can see through the tape, and maybe I can do that by hand. So now we're going to drill the holes as indicated, and then finish off the inside and take off the outside with the jigsaw. Okay, YouTube, that's it. Here's the push block. I sanded it all down. I did not do a very good job of it. I probably should have drawn it out onto the wood rather than pasting the template down to it. I've sanded all these round in here so it feels good. These will work. One is for a quarter, is, you know, one is about 1/8 of an inch, the other is about 1/4 of an inch to push your material through. It has a good grip and a good angle on it, and you feel like you can press down and control your workpiece. These turned out so much better than I anticipated. Finding this stair rail, handrail, was, I'd forgotten I'd had it. It just makes them so much nicer. This material is absolutely flat, and it has a finished edge here which allows the material to slide along it. This grips very hard or very well, and it's just really great. Anyway, until next time, this is Steve Bonin with Urban DIY, signing off. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And we'll see you next time. Check out these other videos.